Hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. I'm Ananya Shankar and I welcome you all. I am a second year law student at WIPS GGS IPU. Today in this video, I'll be telling you all about how I study for my end term examination. Currently, I'm in my fourth semester and this semester will be ended and I will be coming to third year of my law school. Before that, I'll be telling you all my sources and how I study for the end term examination. So, this video is for all the parents who think that their child doesn't study and technology can't be used to study because they only want us to, read something on physical book through physical papers or something else. But today I will show the parents that we can study through technology also. Let's get started. Currently I have 5 subjects as the part of my syllabus. First, constitutional law, second, family law, third, criminal law, fourth, economics, and fifth, administrative law. In this video I'll be showing that how I'll be tackling all these one by one. In law school, two things which are mostly important during an examination is first the case laws and second the theory part. I will be dealing with these two one by one and I'll be showing you what all things I use to cover them all. Here are we on our computer screen. First of all, I will show you all my desktop. All the things which I have downloaded for my study purposes are present here. First of all, you can see here some PDFs and images, just like DPSP, offenses against property. These are related to constitutional law and IPC. I'll open one of them. This is DPSP, as you all know, Directive Principles of State Policy. Whenever I, learn or, study from a YouTube video, I take screenshots from that video. Let me show you how. First, if you have Microsoft Edge, then after opening any video, you can right click and you will see web capture. After that, you can capture that area and click on markup capture. Then it will save a screenshot of that image. That's how you can study from YouTube videos, by taking screenshot and later writing it in your notepads. Secondly, as you have seen that I have many documents saved here. Everything I save here just like previous year questions. Previous year questions is very important. You have to check them a lot of times and you have to write answers daily so that writing practice keeps going on. Now, coming back to from where all sources from which I study. Secondly, I have certain PDFs such as constitutional law, administrative law, family law. Let me show you family law. There I highlight anything which I have to study later. Just like I have done here, I can write all these highlighted things in my notebook later. First reading. In first reading, you just understand all the things. After that, in revision, you write everything in the notebook and highlight everything so that you can revise and gain more marks in your law papers. I have for all subjects I do this. Secondly, for case laws concepts, I have these PDFs of every subject, plus I check some YouTube videos. For case laws, I use IP Leaders blog, which you have heard is very famous in the law community, legal community. There are many laws and cases which are present in this website. For any law, just like here, I have full constitutional law through this blog, IP Leaders blog. Let's say I open Article 21A, and here I can also get cases which are related to Article 21A. See, Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka. For any topic or any concept present in your law papers, there are cases plus concepts in this website. That's how I study. Plus I highlight here also and read, and then after that everything is registered in my notebook. Similarly, I have for IPC many IP Leaders blog. You can see here criminal misappropriation, criminal breach of trust, robbery, dacoity, everything. That's how every subject is done, through YouTube videos, through IP Leaders blog. This was today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe the channel. See ya. Thank you so much.